In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Framer. We'll walk through getting your custom domain set up inside Framer so your site shows on your own URL. Before we start, make sure you know the exact domain you own on GoDaddy and that you can sign into your GoDaddy account if needed later. Keep the domain in plain text form like example.com with no HT or slashes. First, open your project in Framer and head to Settings. You'll find Settings in the Project toolbar. This is where Framer keeps all the controls that affect your live site. Going here first matters because domain connections are configured per project, and any changes you make will apply to this specific site. If you're in the wrong project, switch to the correct one before continuing so the domain connects to the right place. Inside Settings, click the Domains section. This page handles everything related to custom domains and subdomains. It's a good moment to decide whether you want to connect your root domain, like example.com, or a subdomain, like www.example.com or blog.example.com. If you're unsure, www is a safe, common choice, and you can always add the root later to redirect visitors smoothly. The domains page also shows the current status of any connections, so you'll return here to confirm everything is working. Next, click Connect an Existing Domain. A field will appear where you can paste your GoDaddy domain. Enter it carefully, using only the domain name, no protocols, no paths, and no extra spaces. After pasting, Framer will check the domain and show you what's needed to complete the connection. Typically, Framer provides DNS details you may need to update with your registrar. That's normal. If Framer suggests connecting the www version first, that's fine and often simpler because www works well with redirects and SSL. Once you've added your domain here, keep an eye on the status in the domains page. DNS changes, if required, can take a bit to propagate across the internet, sometimes just a few minutes, sometimes longer. During this window, you may see a pending or verifying state. That's expected. When everything has updated, the status will switch to connected, and Framer will automatically issue an SSL certificate so your site loads securely over HTTPS. If you still see an older version of your site, try an incognito window or clear your cache to check the fresh connection. If something doesn't connect, double check the exact spelling of your domain, ensure there aren't conflicting records elsewhere, and confirm you entered only the domain name. Then return to the domains page to verify it's all green. And that's it. Open Settings, go to Domains, connect an existing domain, and paste your GoDaddy domain. You're all set.